Speedrunners focus on small mechanics like defeating cops with a baseball bat to earn guns or managing money through dead drops, hidden cash stashes. Skipping these saves seconds now, but costs thousands later when missing out on extra income. The brain prioritizes quick wins, ignoring how tiny mistakes compound over time. Top players balance precision and adaptability, knowing when to pivot instead of forcing perfection. Speedrunning isn't just about brute force, it's about outsmarting the game with precision and adaptability. A baseball bat can disarm cops, turning their guns into cash, while pickpocketing adds up over time. But balance is key. Skipping dead drop checks saves seconds now, but costs thousands later. The brain craves efficiency, so we fixate on small gains, ignoring how they compound. Try these strategies in your next run and see how much faster and smarter you can go. Speedrunning isn't just brute force, it's about outsmarting the game. A baseball bat can disarm cops instantly, turning their guns into cash without getting caught. Pickpocketing adds up over time, but precision matters. Skipping a dead drop check saves seconds now but costs thousands later. The brain fixates on small gains, ignoring how they compound. Balance speed with strategy to win smarter. Jackpots are rare, but speedrunners use probability and risk management to turn luck into a predictable advantage. In GTA V's 100% run, hitting the casino jackpot is a game-changer, just a 1% chance. Yet it can net $6,000 in one spin. The best players don't rely on luck alone. They manage risk by diversifying income streams. Selling flowers, pawnshop runs, and dead drops keep cash flowing while they wait for that golden 777. But even the best strategies fail when curfew strikes. Forcing them to respawn cops or reload saves small risks with big payoffs if done right. Speedrunners know automation isn't just about saving time. It's about shifting focus from manual tasks to high-impact moves. Setting up a flower farm with 2 botanists and a handler frees up hours, letting you chase jackpots or complete missions without missing dead drops. But it's tricky. Too much automation early can leave you short on cash later. The key? Balance. Hire workers for consistent income, but always check dead drops. Those $200 payouts add up faster than you think. And if you're struggling with space, remember, storage racks and spray paint aren't just tools. They're your safety net when the game throws curveballs like curfew or cop respawns. Speedrunning GTA V's 100% schedule demands precision and adaptability. A baseball bat disarms cops for quick cash, while pickpocketing adds small but steady gains. However, skipping dead drop checks or missing casino jackpots, like the rare 777, can cost thousands later. The brain fixates on small wins, ignoring how they compound. Balancing speed and strategy is key to avoiding burnout. Speedrunners don't just race against the game, they race against time itself. Small choices, like when you sleep, can shift your daily earnings by thousands. Sleep at 6 p.m., and you're out of the money laundering window. Sleep later, and you cut off hours of profit. It's a trade-off. Rest to recover or grind to maximize cash flow. The best players don't just follow the clock, they manipulate it. They balance dead drops $200 payouts with high-risk jackpot hunts, less than 1% chance, knowing that every second saved now means more money later. But push too hard, and curfew or cops derail your whole strategy. The trick: adaptability. Skip a rest, and you'll burn out. Sleep just right, and you turn chaos into an advantage. Some achievements seem trivial, but they're actually hidden moneymakers if you know where to spend your cash. Buying golden skateboards isn't just for fun. It's a way to generate quick profits. Sell them back, or hit the vendor with a bat to earn even more. But timing is key. Buy them daily, and you'll stack up cash faster than you think. Just remember, every item in your pockets cuts into your money-carrying capacity, so balance is everything. Ever sold a gun in GTA V and got a weird price? That's the pawnshop scam, a glitch where the game refuses to pay what it should. The fix isn't rage quitting, it's retrying with rhythm. Sell the same item again, but this time, time your transactions like a dance. Pause before confirming, then tap fast. It's not luck, it's exploiting a lag in the code. And if you nail it, instant cash. But here's the catch: every retry burns seconds. Speedrunners balance precision with patience, knowing that one smooth transaction beats 5 rushed ones. It's why they'll spend minutes perfecting a sale, even if it feels like the game's rigged against them. Speedrunners chase the perfect run, but often miss. That simplicity can be their fastest tool. Every decision like when to rest or how many cops to fight balances risk and reward. Sleep too late and you lose hours of money laundering. Sleep early and you might skip a jackpot. But the real trick is knowing when to stop optimizing. Golden skateboards seem trivial, yet they're quick cash if timed right. And pawnshop scams? They're not bugs, they're challenges. Solvable with rhythm, not rage. The best runs aren't about grinding harder. They're about choosing what not to do. Speedrunning isn't just about skill. It's about hacking your brain, managing chaos, and knowing when to take a break. The best players don't just grind. They exploit glitches, balance risks, and stack odds in their favor. For example, buying golden skateboards seems trivial, but it's a hidden moneymaker if you time purchases right. Sell them back or hit the vendor with a bat to earn quick cash. But every item in your pockets cuts into your carrying capacity, so balance is key. Similarly, pawnshop scams aren't bugs, they're challenges solvable with rhythm, not rage. Retry transactions with precision, not frustration. The real trick? Knowing when to stop optimizing and trust the process. Spray paint feels trivial, just a quick flick of the wrist, but it's actually a speedrunner's secret weapon. Cartels hate it. So every can you buy weakens their grip on businesses like laundromats or flower shops. The catch? Buying spray paint in bulk isn't straightforward. You need to exploit a glitch. Use a cart to loop purchases, but timing matters. Too fast, and the game won't register it. Too slow, and you waste seconds. Speedrunners treat this like a rhythm challenge, syncing their actions with the game's lag. It's not about brute force. It's about precision. And when you nail it, you unlock bonuses that compound later, turning a small action into a big advantage. Speedrunning isn't just about skill. It's about pacing your mind and body while navigating chaos. Every decision balances risk, like sleeping at 6 p.m. to maximize money laundering or avoiding late-night casino runs that could cost you hours. Golden skateboards seem trivial, but they're a quick cash source if you time purchases right. And pawnshop scams? They're not bugs. They're challenges solvable with rhythm, not rage. The best speedrunners don't grind harder. They choose what not to do, like skipping unnecessary fights or trusting the process when money management gets tight. Speedrunning isn't just about skill. It's about hacking your brain, managing chaos, and knowing when to take a break. The best players don't just grind. They exploit glitches, balance risks, and stack odds in their favor. For example, buying golden skateboards seems trivial, but it's a hidden moneymaker if you time purchases right. Sell them back or hit the vendor with a bat to earn quick cash. But every item in your pockets cuts into your carrying capacity, so balance is key. Similarly, pawnshop scams aren't bugs, they're challenges solvable with rhythm, not rage. Retry transactions with precision, not frustration. The real trick?